wallet. Now this video will help you follow up step by step on how to add what Sage contract address to your wallet. Now as you can see, this is my own blockchain Sage account, my money app, where I have mined over 722 million plus and still counting. Now in order for we to add our Sage contract address, what we need to do is just to click on this three dotted line here. Yes, this three dotted line here. Then you click on what see markets. Now that is the easiest way to add your Sage contract address. Now this is blockchain Sage. From here you can see the market here, the market value, the liquidity, the market cap, and so on and so forth. But for the purpose of this video, I want to show you how to add what contract address to your wallet, Sage contract address to your wallet. Now once you come down to this place, you can see pair created 7 months 16 days ago, pool Sage, blah blah blah, pool WBNB, now pairs, and the Sage. Now where Sage is written here, you can see this is where our contract address is, the Sage here. What we need to do is just to click on it, and it will show copy. Now after we've copied the Sage contract address, we head over straight to our Trust wallet, or whichever wallet you are using. Okay, now this is my Trust wallet, of course the new wallet I created. Now I want to import add the Sage contract address. Now in this situation, what we'll do next, I'll just click on this line here, this arrow line here, then I'll click on okay, I'll click on this line here, then click on manage with crypto. Now from the crypto, then you click on the plus sign here at the top right corner, then you change the network to BNB smart chain. Now this is BNB smart chain. I'll click on paste here, then you allow it to load. Now this is what blockchain Sage, and the symbol is what Sage. The decimal is always 18. Any BNB smart chain you are using to import any crypto is always, the decimal is always on 18. Then you click on import. As you all can see, we've added the Sage contract address to our Trust wallet account. Mind you, this method can be applied to any other wallet, any other decentralized wallet. As you all can see, this is our Sage Sage wallet account. Okay, now we've added our Sage contract address to our Trust wallet account, and as I was saying, you can also add it to any decentralized wallet. Also, if you are yet to start mining Sage app, I think this is the best time for you to accumulate more now that the market is very down, so that you will not miss out on the next update. It may change, it may not change. I think everything we are doing is risks here, so mine blockchain Sage and participate in everything we are doing. So if you find this video helpful and you find it more educative, kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the subscribe button and the like button, and follow us for more updates. Thank you.